Ano? Juris?
Ang swerte ko talaga.
Why?
Because I having a shop.
What is the reason on your shopping spree?
Make
Hindi, what is the reason sa inyong vlog enable sa'yo makapunta dito?
Daddy,
Yeah. What will you say to Daddy?
I love you.
Love you too. Ay, worth $50 lang ha.
Hindi lang
much more?
Hindi lang 100 din meron.
Yan.
Hindi na.
Bili mo rin sana si Maybell ante.
Ang dami. Hindi naman mahilig.
Juris, come here.
Isa na ako na.
Where are you today? Where are you today?
Hong Kong Sasa.
Sasa. Ano mga binili mo, anak? Ano mga binili mo?
Brush, egg brush, blush. Ay, daddy, powder blush. Some...
Show it to me.
Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!
No, just show it there.
It's over here, guys.
Why?
You tell to the viewers.
This is my... It's for my powder blush.
Wow.
And this is also for my powder blush.
That's
And
Rosa
it's,
Rosie.
and it's also for
Rosie Rosa.
yes, and it's Rosy Rosa.
Tingin ka dito
And
sa
this is
Manila.
also Rosy Rosa.
And
This is I don't know.
Oh, you already have one like that, di ba?
Yeah. My mom told me I would buy another one. So
Wow.
and
Jero. Girlfriend mo daw.
Huwag na, Lola.
and this is Sasa Tiny.
Wow, very good ah.
And this is from
Jeremy,
Baby Doll.
agsasaw ka mangigda ka dito yun eh.
And this is
Nagsaw ka tikas takin mangigda ka dito eh.
and this is for
Kablog sa
And
pay
this
buy-buya
is-
ajay.
Judy Doll.
Ang bukagkat.
Madik i-post ko ato eh.
And this is for my auntie.
Ang bukagkat.
Madi ako i-vlog dato jay kabsam mo kailangan mo.
Madi, cut ko ajay part.
Awan, madi mo taw mo timbagam nga madi. Bagam lang madim sunay katangan.
And this is for my, eyeshadow.
Nagblablag gamit ka sa
It's like a paintbrush.
Okay, oh it's finished. It's finished.
And I
tingin
bought
ka lang kasi kay Mami.
Okay, say bye-bye to the
Bye.
viewers.